For the repair of the Korval E&P-01 controllers, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing of the first controller, we add a 120 volt AC power supply, a potentiometer as input signal, and a multimeter to measure the milliamp output. By manipulating the input signal with the help of the potentiometer, we see that the unit reacts accordingly and outputs the 4 to 20 milliamp according to the set point at the process variable of the unit. The same process is repeated for the second controller. For the third controller, we test the relay contacts opening and closing according to the set point at the process variable of the unit, and we can hear the buzzer of the multimeter connected to the relay contacts outputs.
Θα πάω εκεί πέρα να πάει στην άλλη. Να γυρίσω τα... Κάνει τα διαφορά που πάει να διορθώσει και καλά, να μην...
The same process is repeated for the fourth controller. It is now clear that all four E&P-01 controllers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.